In 2026, an artificial intelligence ran an entire cyber espionage campaign by itself. It identified the targets, it crafted the phishing emails, it found the vulnerabilities, broke in, moved through the network, and extracted classified data. The human attacker didn't write a single line of code. They just told the AI what to steal. And that autonomous AI attack is just one of 20. These first 4 attacks don't target your computer. They target you. AI-generated phishing. Traditional phishing emails had typos, broken grammar, suspicious formatting. You could spot them. Not anymore. Large language models now generate emails that are grammatically flawless, culturally adapted, and personalized to you specifically. The AI scrapes your LinkedIn, your company website, your recent posts, and writes an email that sounds exactly like your manager asking about last Tuesday's meeting. Palo Alto Networks reported that AI-crafted phishing campaigns now have triple the success rate of traditional ones. Deepfake voice cloning, 3 seconds. That's how much audio an AI needs to clone your voice. 3 seconds from a YouTube video, a podcast, an earnings call. In 2019, attackers cloned a CEO's voice and called an employee. The voice was urgent. It sounded exactly like the boss. The employee transferred $243,000. No questions asked. And voice is just the beginning. Deepfake video impersonation. In 2024, a finance worker in Hong Kong joined a video call with his company's CFO. The CFO gave instructions. Colleagues were on the call too. Everything looked normal. He authorized wire transfers totaling $25.6 million. Every single person on that call was a deepfake. The CFO, the colleagues, all fake. The engineering firm Arup confirmed the loss. One video call. 25 million gone. AI-powered spear phishing takes personalization further. The AI researches you, your job title, your team, your current projects, even the tone of your emails. Then it composes a message so specific, so contextually perfect, that it doesn't just look real, it feels real. CrowdStrike's 2026 report found that AI compressed the time to craft a convincing spear phishing email from hours to under 5 minutes. Every attack so far exploits human trust. These next 5 exploit your technology. Adaptive AI malware. Traditional malware has a fixed signature. Antivirus software learns it and blocks it. AI malware rewrites itself. It analyzes the security tools running on your system, modifies its own code to avoid detection, and mimics legitimate network traffic to stay invisible. In 2026, researchers documented malware families that actually query large language models mid-execution, checking whether they're inside a security sandbox before deciding to activate. AI vulnerability scanning. Imagine a burglar who can test every lock, every window, every entry point in your entire building in 30 seconds. AI scanning tools do exactly that, probing thousands of endpoints simultaneously, prioritizing vulnerabilities by exploitability, and sometimes generating the attack code automatically. In March 2026, leaked documents from Anthropic revealed an AI model capable of finding and exploiting software vulnerabilities faster than human defenders could patch them. Cybersecurity stocks plunged overnight. Automated exploit generation. The AI reads a vulnerability report, a CVE, and writes a working exploit. No human coder needed. Researchers at the University of Illinois tested GPT-4 against known vulnerabilities. It successfully exploited 87% of them when given the CVE description. In 2026, specialized models pushed that number even higher. The gap between a vulnerability being discovered and a weapon being built to exploit it is now measured in hours. AI-generated malicious code. On the dark web, tools like WormGPT and FraudGPT remove every safety guardrail from generative AI. Describe the attack you want in plain English, and the AI writes the code. A keylogger that evades Windows Defender. A data exfiltration script disguised as DNS traffic. No programming skills required. $60 a month. Security Week reported a 300% increase in novel malware, code never seen before, attributed directly to AI generation, AI-enhanced ransomware. Modern ransomware doesn't just encrypt your files, it thinks. AI maps the network, identifies the most valuable data, locates every backup, and destroys them first. Then it encrypts everything. Then it calculates your ransom based on your company's revenue. In February 2026, the Medusa ransomware gang hit the University of Mississippi Medical Center. 35 clinics shut down, surgeries canceled, staff reverted to paper records for 9 days, over 1 terabyte of patient data stolen. The ransom demand, $800,000. The hospital lost $34 million in revenue. Every attack until now uses AI as a weapon. These next 5 turn AI into the victim. Prompt injection. Every AI assistant, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, runs on a system prompt. Hidden instructions that tell the AI what it can and cannot do. Prompt injection overrides those instructions. Type 1 carefully crafted sentence, and the AI ignores its safety rules. It reveals its system prompt. It follows your commands instead. OWASP ranked prompt injection as the #1 vulnerability in large language model applications. Indirect prompt injection is worse. The attacker hides malicious instructions inside a document, a website, or an email. You never see them. They might be in white text on a white background, invisible. But when your AI assistant reads that document to summarize it or help you draft a reply, it sees those hidden commands, and it obeys. In 2025, researchers demonstrated EchoLeak, an attack that manipulated Microsoft 365 Copilot through a poisoned Word file. The AI silently exfiltrated private company data to an external server. The user had no idea. Data poisoning. AI learns from data. Corrupt the data, and you corrupt the AI. Attackers inject carefully crafted bad samples into training datasets, public repositories, scraped websites, shared databases. The model learns the wrong patterns. A fraud detection system trained on poisoned data starts ignoring real fraud. A content filter starts approving harmful content. In 2026, a project called Poison Fountain distributed tools to inject corrupted text into web pages, silently degrading every AI model that trained on them. Model evasion. Add a few stickers to a stop sign, and a self-driving car reads it as speed limit 65. That's model evasion, crafting inputs with tiny, imperceptible modifications that force an AI to misclassify them. Humans see nothing unusual. The AI sees something completely different. In 2026, researchers at NDSS presented Net Masquerade, an attack that modifies malicious network traffic to look completely benign, slipping past AI-powered security systems undetected. AI agent hijacking. Companies are giving AI agents their own identities, their own API keys, their own access to internal systems. These agents process documents, write code, manage databases, trigger workflows. If an attacker compromises an agent's identity or manipulates its instructions through prompt injection, they inherit every permission that agent has. Gartner's 2026 analysis found that most AI agents operate without multi-factor authentication, without proper auditing, and with far more access than they need. They are autonomous insiders, waiting to be turned. Before any of these attacks happen, the AI needs one thing: information about you, AI automated OSINT, open source intelligence. The AI scrapes your LinkedIn, your Twitter, your GitHub, your company's SEC filings, your conference presentations, everything public. In 10 minutes, it knows your job, your team, your projects, your reporting structure, your habits. It identifies who in your organization is most likely to click a phishing email. It finds the employees who just changed roles, confused, unfamiliar with new processes, perfect targets, AI password cracking. This isn't random guessing. An AI trained on billions of leaked passwords predicts yours based on patterns, regional trends, company jargon, keyboard layouts, personal information. Passcan, a neural network built specifically for cracking passwords, broke 51% of common passwords in under 1 minute, 81% within a month. Your password isn't random to the AI, It's predictable. And now, the attacks that changed everything. Autonomous attack agents. Remember the attack from the beginning of this video? It wasn't a hypothetical. Mandiant's 2026 threat report documented a real campaign where an AI agent executed 90% of all actions autonomously. Reconnaissance, phishing, exploitation, lateral movement, data extraction. The human operator set the objective. The AI did the rest. One person, zero code, machine speed execution across multiple targets simultaneously. AI-powered botnet coordination. In March 2026, the U.S. Department of Justice dismantled 4 massive botnets: Isuru, Kimwolf, Jackskid, and Mossad. Over 3 million infected devices, security cameras, routers, smart refrigerators, baby monitors, all hijacked, all coordinated. Some attacks reached 30 terabits per second, enough to take down entire countries' internet infrastructure. The botnets used AI-driven coordination to rotate patterns, mimic legitimate traffic, and evade detection in real time. AI supply chain attacks. The attack doesn't target you. It targets the software you trust. AI tools scan thousands of open-source dependencies, the building blocks of modern software, looking for the most widely used and least audited. Then, they inject malicious code that gets distributed through legitimate updates. SolarWinds proved the concept in 2020. 18,000 organizations compromised through one update. In 2026, AI accelerates both the discovery and exploitation of supply chain weak points at a scale no human team could match. Shadow AI exploitation. Your biggest vulnerability might not be a hacker. It might be your own employees. Across every industry, workers are connecting AI tools to corporate data without IT approval, pasting source code into ChatGPT, feeding customer databases to AI assistants, creating data pipelines that no security team monitors. In 2023, Samsung engineers accidentally leaked proprietary chip designs through ChatGPT. By 2026, Gartner estimates that over 40% of enterprises have shadow AI systems their security teams don't even know exist. The attackers don't need to break in. Your employees already opened the door. 20 AI-powered cyber attacks. From phishing emails you can't distinguish from real ones, to autonomous agents that run entire operations without a human touching a keyboard. In 2026, the most dangerous hacker in the world isn't human.